Assalamu alaikum, morning peeps. As mentioned, I'm going to try and appear live a bit more often. So one of my clients just asked me, what is the best exercise to lose weight? Now, most of my clients don't do any exercise at all. In fact, the ones that don't do exercise actually lose more weight than the ones that do. But I'm going to save the explanation for that for another time. Now, but I know a lot of you have joined the gym at this time of the year. You are obviously exercising to lose weight. So there is a best exercise. There is a best form of exercise to lose weight. But there is a lot of nuance and caveats to that. It really isn't as simple as, oh yeah, this is the exercise everyone should do, right? But I want you to understand the main principles. Once you understand the principles, you can then apply it to your situation. That's how we work. I give you the principles. We don't just give you the fish. We teach you how to fish so that you can lose weight without frustration and stress and know exactly what's going on. And if you choose not to follow that process, you'll know that ultimately it's you, right? You just haven't got the motivation or desire to do it. And it shouldn't require a ton of motivation. Like I said, you don't even need to exercise. And most of our clients never ever actually adopt exercise, which I don't agree with, but they find an easy way to lose weight and then they just stick to that. So that's how we coach. We teach you how to fish. Now, and like I said as well, it doesn't have to be difficult. Weight loss is not as difficult as people think it is, simply because they're lacking the knowledge. So anyway, the point of this live is that I'm going to do a workshop, a completely free workshop, right, in my Facebook group, where I'm going to go into all of the details and nuances. Like, I'm going to leave nothing unturned, give you all of the principles so that you understand this from a very principled foundation. Does that make sense? If you would like to see that, drop a comment, yes or something, and if I get enough interest, I'll go ahead and do that. And make sure you've joined my Facebook group as well, so you're there and you get notifications. Okay guys, I'll give you a quick tip before I go. If you're a complete beginner, and we're not taking all of the nuances into account, if you're a complete beginner, you should focus on weight training, not cardio, if your goal is to lose weight. Okay? And even if you're skinny fat, a lot of people think they need to gain weight when they're skinny fat. Yes, even you need to focus on weight training. That's a general advice. However, there may be exceptions to that, and I'll explain all of that on the workshop. Okay? Speak to you soon.